So another concept is market. The meaning of the market is, it is generally misunderstood. In common language, the meaning of the market is a place where the sellers and buyers are gathering, and the market can be any corner of your town. But in economics, the meaning of the market is more wider than this concept. It means even on phone or through internet, if we are doing any sell and purchase, that also come under the market. Even our school comes in the uh, in the part of market. Why? Because some activities are shared between some people, right? Parents are paying fees, teachers are giving services. So that also, although teaching in school is very noble profession, it doesn't come under the market or the business, but can be. If it was not a noble profession, it could be the place of, it could also occupy the place of market, but it doesn't. Market can be one doctor services, okay? Market can be taken one lawyer services. Court, in the court lawyer sells and purchases the services by clients, okay? Similarly, goods and services sold and purchased on phone through e-currency, etc., that also comes under the category of market. Then next, statistical methods. Now I am coming to your topic, that is called statistics. So you have been read about statistics in your maths, okay? Read or not? In the maths we were doing some graphs, some tally marking, mean, median, mode. Is the statistics same? Yes, this is also same statistics. So actually, why do we study statistics in economics? Because whatever the calculations are done are given in numbers, okay? For example, I have written here one concept is GDP. GDP means gross domestic product. Gross domestic product means in a year in one country, whatever products are being produces, everything is counted. Every year some plus minus is being done, and it is to be calculated. So it is being calculated in the numbers, and wherever there is the game of digits or numbers, there we have statistics, okay? So what I was sharing, that calculation of national income, okay? So in an economy, in a year, in a financial year, in a financial, FINANCIAL, in a financial year, in an economy, it will be drying up, my chalk will be drying up, then it will be visible to you. An economy, whatever production is being done, that is calculated, and calculated in entire economy, means every single person's income is calculated. So what is the financial year? Like you have academic year, every year your session starts from 18th March. Generally we assume it 30th March. 30th March to, no, 1st April to 30th March. Your academic session, every year you get the result and you go to new class. You are promoted to new class, that is from 1st April to 30th March. Same dates are there for financial year. In India, financial year is taken from 1st April to 30th March, right? 30th March, okay? And every year whatever production of goods and services has been done in entire country, that is, beta mute your microphone, someone's background voice is audible. Everyone mute your microphone, okay? So in an economy, ab economy, what is economy? Any country. For example, India. In India, in a whole year, and the year is from 1st April to 30th March, whatever sale and sale of goods and services, production is being done by normal resident of the country, or sometimes from abroad also. Sometimes, in some cases, that comes under the calculations. So that calculations are to be shown in the graphs, and their statistics, use of statistics. Acha, you know one more thing, census survey. How does census survey is done? Every year we have census survey. It is done in the counting, right? Numbers, how many males are there in the country, how many females are there, then how many working population, means productive population, how many students, elder people, retired people, like that. And then religion wise, region wise, profession wise, different calculations are done, and these are used for the, this data is used for the development process. So that data, the word data came here from statistics to us. We have to collect some data, and this helps in the analysis, and this helps in framing the economic policies. Okay, so what is statistics? Statistics is a word which means, who will tell me what is the meaning of statistics? Numerical facts systematically collected. What is the meaning of the statistics? Numerical facts systematically collected is the definition of statistics. This simply means data. Okay, any collection of data is known as statistics.